In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to top up your Wise debit card so you can use it for online purchases or while traveling abroad. The process is straightforward and works directly from your Wise account. If you're new to Wise, don't worry. You'll find a sign-up link in the description where new users might enjoy perks like a free transfer or other welcome bonuses. Before you go ahead and start topping up, ensure that your Wise account is not only active, but also that your debit card is already activated within the Wise app. Topping up simply means adding funds to your Wise balance, which in turn powers your card spending. This step is crucial, as you wouldn't want any hitches when trying to make those online purchases or spend while traveling. Whether you're using the Wise app on your phone or accessing it through the website, managing your balances across different currencies is a breeze. To start, decide on the currency you'd like to top up. This is often your home currency for convenience. Choose how much you'd like to add to your balance. This choice gives you the flexibility to manage your finances as per your immediate needs. When it comes to choosing a payment method, Wise offers a variety of options to suit your preference. You can opt for bank transfers, which might take anywhere from a few hours to a full day to clear. If you're looking for something more immediate, using a debit or credit card ensures that your funds show up instantly. And for those who prefer mobile wallets, Wise supports popular options like Apple Pay or Google Pay, making it convenient to top up whenever you wish. Once you've completed the payment, your funds will arrive in your Wise balance. It's as simple as that. These funds are instantly available on your debit card, which means you're all set to shop online, pay for goods and services abroad, or even withdraw cash at ATMs. And the best part? All these transactions come with low-cost currency conversion and zero hidden fees, allowing you to make the most out of your money without the worry of unexpected costs. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to effectively add money to your Wise debit card. Whether you're making purchases online or gearing up for an international adventure, your Wise card is ready to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple how-to guides. And do check out the sign-up link below if you're new to Wise and want to snag a free account. Thanks for watching, and happy spending.